I say, guys, uh, the Australian dollar and the yen has a breakout and also a pretest from my previous video. From my previous video, I have said that I am expecting a breakout for to reach. I'm expecting a breakout first and then a retest on the trend line, ideally on this zone, but I watched the closely on the market and I decided to take a trade when it retests the trend line and the price has pumped, as you can see. So this trade is finished on the Australian dollar and the yen. I'm not expecting the continuation of the bullish run, but I think there still might be chance. But for right now, I have closed my orders for buying the Australia and the yen, so I will reduce my watch time on this. So let's analyze this trade again. As I said before, the direction on the daily time frame is bullish because the lows are getting higher, so the direction is bullish. So we need to find an entry. So look at the lower time frame with the H4, we see that the highs are getting lower. So the structure is bearish. So we need to find some indication to know that the price may reverse. So on H1, or you can see H4, you can see that the price has broken the last high, but it doesn't confirm a new direction. So we need to find some pattern. For me, it's a retest. It's a retest on the first of all on this zone, like I said before, or a retest, something like that. And price has now successfully lost my analysis. So that's for the Australian dollar and the yen. And how about the next pair? So for the next pair, I am expecting after the price has moved. So let me see, check the fundamental analysis for the dollars. So the dollars is the bad news for the dollars because the numbers are lower than expected than the forecast. Okay, so that's suggesting that the dollars is weakening. So I think that let's explain this movement, bullish movement, because the dollars news is bad. So let's make the pairs Australia, the Australia dollar or the euro dollars or the pound dollars bullish impact from the news. So for this particular pair, I can see there's a clear pattern because we have a downtrend structure. Okay, we have a downtrend structure, and we have because the highs are getting lower, and the news it has impacted the price because it breaks the previous high, but it doesn't confirm a new direction. So to be clearly confirmed, I am expecting this pattern. First of all, after the price breaks the high, is reaching its previous highs. So I'm expecting a reaction over here, and then a retracement into this support zone, So this entry will be a risky entry because it's a retest. It's not a confirmation buy. So this is the first entry. If you want to be more sure about the probability, you need to see the price breaks the new high after its form. Okay, you need to break this high. So that's it for the new update for this week. For the other pairs, I don't see any. Oh, this one, the dollars and the cat is forming a head and shoulder pattern. So ideally, the price we reach here is key level. I don't know when. First of all, you can see that the price has reached the low and reacting, and I don't know when it will reach this area, but the overall market structure is bearish. So if you interested in this pair, you can looking for a short position. Okay, so that's it for the new update. If you guys follow this, hope you guys did take profit and follow my trade. Find this useful. If you find this useful, subscribe.